We finally arrived here in Cologne, Germany. It's currently almost 4 p.m. There's a lot of people, and we booked A&O Cologne, or KOLN. I booked this because it's cheap, but it's relatively near to the Cologne Cathedral. Now, in the video that I saw, the video that made me book this hotel is because from the window you can see the Cologne Cathedral. We are on the same side with the cathedral. The problem is, you know, a typical European window wherein it opens this way, not that way, you know, like the usual windows. But anyway, Hubs is again doing his business. I'm gonna try to switch my clothings. Fortunately, I brought a very thin, not very, but a thin denim jacket. So literally from this very heavy coat, I'm gonna switch it up to this denim. Also, I'm still debating with myself if should I remove my contact lenses because it's so uncomfortable since the biyahe going here, because it's an astigmatism girly. Contact lenses, even if you make it dark contact lenses, it just doesn't sit right on my eyes. They're not like this. It will irritate my eyes. It's so uncomfortable. Sometimes you'll get blurry visions. The only thing about my glasses is, I don't know, sometimes I just feel more confident without it. That is the Cologne Cathedral, the very reason why we are here, and it is so worth it. So that is the cathedral. Tulugan namin ay nandun. Tama ba? It's just too many people. So we will go back here tomorrow morning, early in the morning. And then that's the Christmas market just beside it. Let's have a look. Okay, Johans and Farina, are you still together? Lian and Burgharam, are you? Oh, damn, bro. 1999. Chris, pag nakita ko lang yung pangalan mo dito at may ibang babae dyan, tumba ka sa akin dun. By the way, eyeglasses won. I removed my contacts and it feels so much better. Grabe yung mukha mo, para kang tito mag-vlog. Hindi ka ganun, no?
What's up sa inyo, mga pamangkin?
So we went to Christmas market, which is this one. And then we were like, why are the shops still closed? Until we searched on Google, they will open tomorrow. And we're only here until tomorrow afternoon. What the heck? just gonna enjoy the entrance view because it will open tomorrow. See, we are back here early in the morning and a lot less people. Now we're going to Lindt Chocolate Museum. I'm gonna taste some chocolate, see how they're being made, and get some free tastes. Hey. With Mr. Barangay Tanod.
Kuya Kim, grabe ang barangay tani.
I can already smell delicious chocolate. I'm so ready for free taste. Bakit parang natatai ka? Officially saying goodbye to my nursing profession. This is me now. I'm taking you with me. I'm taking you with me, ho. Congratulations on being a chocolate eater. Is this real chocolate? No, it's not. So, since we didn't had any breakfast, and we had so many chocolates from the free taste, we are
Molder.
hungrier.
Molder. Nung
Ah!
Ayun yung place ba?
Cute!
How about whole table?
Sabi whole stack lang, hindi whole table. Old Town. We are here at the Old Town. This is one of the famous spots here in Cologne, Germany. I happily report to you guys that the Christmas markets are now open. Even though it's still daytime, they already open. Where's my husband? See? Oh my gosh. It's a good thing we haven't ate anything yet apart from the chocolates, because most of the foods that we want to try here in Cologne are all in the Christmas market. The potato pancake is good, but it tastes like okoy in the Philippines, and it's so oily.
It's like hash brown.
Yeah, hash brown, but very, very oily. Gluwen. Gluwen? Gluwen? Glua?
Kuha ko ng ano. Saan din natutingin ko?
Red wine na pinakuluan. Pero, since it's hot, it feels like lesser yung alcohol kick.
Araw natin iuwi yan. Wala tayong lalagyan.
Baka lang, hindi to inuuwi.
Iuwi mo nga kasi nga 8 ang binayaran mo, imbis na 5 lang. Nakita mo ba yung naglalakad ng iba? Dala-dala nila yan. Halika na iuwi natin yung baso, okay?
We paid 8 euros. So maybe the additional is for this cup. We were so unsure. We looked around if there's anyone holding the same mug, and there are. Like ate over there. So yes, we've got that instant mug from Germany. The flooring makes me feel like I'm a hamster.
Kakape pa ako eh.
Give na give ka dyan sa libreng... Ay, hindi pala libre. Dyan sa mug mo ah.
Ang mahal nga. Yung tipong wala kang choice kundi kunin kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng dakmain yun.
Sana ginanito mo na lang. For the main Christmas market. I'm saying main because it's the one beside the Cologne Cathedral. Wow! Finally! This is the fastest Ferris wheel I've ever seen. Look at that. This is the best part.
Parang dito ba to?
Best feeling ever. We are back with Chincho here at the airport. I'm gonna change my
Doon ka na sa loob
Crocs.
Doon ka na palit sa loob. Laki ka.
My feet is free.
Dito ka magpalit.